Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you guys how to change oil on your Kia Stinger. Stay tuned. Gotta be careful here. You don't want to break this thing. This thing looks solid. Huh. Okay, make sure I'm in the correct spot. There we go. This vehicle is actually my parts guy. He worked here for like 20 years now, and he finally decided to go get a Kia, and he got a Kia Stinger aftermarket wheels that he installed. He painted the caliper. Looks good. This part of the CV axle, and it start leaking grease right here. This and up there too. The other side is good. Yeah, I believe I replaced one of these like a couple years ago. Yep, I'm gonna mention that leak. The caliper looks good outside, right? But if you go over here, he didn't paint the whole thing.
Who the hell cares?
Good job, Keith. I got 17 millimeter here. I'm gonna set the tire pressure to 35 psi. Right there. All of them. Alright guys, so here is the engine filter, and here is the part number. I got the filter, of course, gasket, locking clip, and the rubber gasket. Alright, so torque your drain plug to spec. There we go. Just gonna go ahead and put this back so I don't make a mess. Then I do have 24 millimeter. Make sure you install this one correctly. Some other technician will install this one that way, and it's gonna leak. So gotta make sure install this one properly. There you go. Put the new filter in, line it up. It's right there. Just gonna double check my work. This one is ready to go in. Grab your torque wrench and torque this to spec. There we go. There we go. And don't forget this. There we go. Clean it up. he is also adding this MOA. Also adding a fuel system cleaner. And we're adding 0W30. Oh, I hate this thing. Alright. Ooh. Alright, I'm in. And he got check engine light. Let's go ahead and check the fluid level. Add if needed. All right, so this is low, this is full, and this is where we at. That's good. Where's the other one? Oh, it's right there. There you go. He also installed cold air intake and a catch can. This one is awesome. Look at this. There is a dipstick. It's there, but he's still waiting for tube to go down there. But that's pretty cool. Alright, so don't forget the sticker. Ah, I hate this. Come on. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, cool. Now I can put my new sticker in. And let's reset the maintenance light. There you go. We're all done here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.